in Korea, but I'm from Malaysia.
You're from Croatia? Oh,
Malaysia,
that's a nice
Malaysia.
country, man.
No,
Yeah,
Malaysia, that's a
uh,
great
yeah, that's
country.
Austronesian.
We're from Philippines.
yeah, I know the Philippines. I love Filipinos.
Yeah.
I have a
You
many
have
friends.
friend?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I have a friends of Filipino. Many.
Filipino, Filipino, we're we're good to be friend.
Yeah, of
Very
course.
good to talking faster
We
Filipinos.
and
spread
get
love.
the area
Yeah,
spread
We
love.
spread love, peace.
yeah. Filipino is very kind.
Yeah. You love the energy of Filipinos?
Oo, sobra.
Yeah. Sobra.
Yeah, sobra.
Sino yun?
Hindi, ano
Sino
lang.
yun?
English lang, English lang.
English lang. Nagpa-practice nga tayo eh.
Ay, ganun. Okay. How are you doing,
Okay.
guys?
We're fine. We're fine.
We're,
How
Mm,
about you?
me too, also. Just only Omegle.
What? Sorry?
Just, just only Omegle. Finding friends.
Um, yeah.
Are you student?
Yeah, we are.
we are senior high.
We're in
Also?
grade 11.
Yes.
He's grade
Grade?
11 and I'm college first year.
Where's your
Bachelor
college?
of Science.
What course?
Um, I don't, I stopped, you know.
Ah, this you stop first. Why?
Yeah. uh, I'm still thinking about what I'm getting, what course I'm getting.
Ah, okay. Are you confused in your first take? Of course.
Yeah,
Why?
yeah, of course. Because I want to be police and also I want to be chef in cruise ship.
Ah, okay. It's good.
But I don't want to be police anymore because of the government of the Philippines.
Why?
Yeah,
What's the
so
problem of the government?
Corrupt.
Hmm, not maybe it's not all, not all,
Yeah, not wrong.
but
But
many.
I don't want to serve that kind of attitude.
Yeah, of course. It's too bad.
Yeah, I love all Filipino.
I pray
Yeah,
you pull back your coverage. Leave this matter to me.
we're talking about.
Pardon?
I will send you my physician.
Are you crazy?
Banata mo ng English, pare.
Assalamualaikum.
Shalom.
Uy.
Uy, grabe.
I think I know your language. I think I speak your language.
Arabic.
No, I'm not Arabic.
How many languages do you know?
Just only one.
What language yun?
No, no. It's just kidding. Two. English only and Tagalog.
Ah.
I miss the part that's my problem.
Ano?
I miss the part that's my problem.
Sabi mo nga, wala niya.
Nakakasabi mo.
Do you
Wala niya
study
akong
well?
English.
Anyways, by the way,
Yes,
what is your name? The red t-shirt. What is your
red,
name?
Rabi,
What?
Rafael.
Rafael.
Rafa
Rafael.
Rafael? It's like a ML.
Yeah.
Rafaela?
No, no. Yeah,
No,
Rafael. And you?
maybe.
similar.
And you?
Whatever.
Justin. You can call me Justin.
You can call
Just
Jazz.
Justin. Justin and
And
the kids.
one, Marcus.
Marcos?
Marcus, yeah.
Marcos. Hi. Hello. You're so cute.
No, not Marco. Not Marcos.
What?
Not like Bongbong. No. Marcus.
Marku.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Marku. Hello. Kumusta?
What a cute